Today, I'm going to share with you a guide that nobody really asked for, but many people do follow it. And this is the perfect guide for ruining your life. Now, if you're smart enough, you will do the exact opposite. But if you really want to ruin your life, then you will follow this step by step. So the steps are as follows. Step number one, procrastinate. Why do stuff that you can put off tomorrow? Don't do stuff that you can do today. Put it all off tomorrow. Let stress and anxiety be your best friends. Why do work when you can live another day? You are living another day and you can do that tomorrow. So do not do any work. Just procrastinate and enjoy your life. Step number two, neglect your health. Why to exercise? Just eat junk food and ignore exercise. Don't do healthy activities. Just have fun, enjoy food, enjoy your life, and do what you want to do. If you want to smoke. If you want to do vape. If you want to do drugs, do drugs. That's the best way to live life, right? Step three, isolate yourself. You do not need people, you need yourself. you know why socialize, why connect with other people when you have yourself? Do not connect with other people, remain in your home and just scroll through Instagram and watch Netflix and chill with yourself and live like that for the rest of your life. For step number four, surround yourself with toxic people. Toxicity is the best thing in life. Why to have good friends or good people around you when you can have toxic people who always want you to be down, or who always push you down, or who always mock you or laugh behind your back? You don't need good friends, you don't need good people around you. You need toxic people around you that will always try to bring you down and not let you succeed or grow in life. Step number five, focus on negativity. You do not have to focus on positivity or be grateful. Always focus on negativity. There is no positivity in life. There's no need to focus on positivity when you can focus on negativity. Always be depressed, always be focused on negativity and pull negativity to yourself, because what you think is what you attract. So always be negative. Step number six, blame others. Do not take accountability, just blame others. Why to take accountability when you can blame others? Do not take accountability of what bad happened to you or what good happened to you. Always blame others. I am not this because of this person, I am not this because I come from this family. Keep telling yourself a story that will help you to blame others. Step number seven, resist change. Why to, have change in your life? Why to do new things in your life? Just resist change. There's no need to change your life. You're living a good life. You're always watching Netflix. You have bad people in your life. You focus on negativity. So why to focus on good things and need change? Always resist change, even if it's good for you, even if it's tough. Resist change, because change is always bad. Change should always be avoidable. So resist change. There's no need to change. You can live a miserable life for the rest of your life. You do not have to change anything about your life. Step number eight, avoid setting goals. Who needs goals? Just live your life like a day-to-day basis. Flow like a fish. Be a dead fish. Flow through the river. There's no need to have goals in your life, ambitions in your life. Always be dead inside. Why do you want to live a life where you can achieve great things when you can just watch Netflix, chill and scroll through Instagram? So just do not focus on goal setting people and always envy goal setting people. You do not have to focus on goals. Don't set goals. Goals are stupid. Goals are for fools. So always live a pointless life and a miserable life. In conclusion, this is an ironic guide that will let you ruin your life. So if you're smart enough, focus on doing the opposite things and really fix your life. If you really want to ruin your life, make a joke out of this, make a joke out of this and ruin your life. I will not stop you. Hell, I cannot stop you actually. But if you really want to focus on the good things and really want to change your life, then do the exact opposites. You are still young. Even if you're old, you have 5 years are enough to change your life. Really, 5 years are enough to change your life. Even 1 year, just try to do the opposite things for 6 months, and your life will be better than what it is today. Be better, be stronger. Thank you and have a great day. And if you really like this video, then share it with your friends. I like this video, to be honest. Like it and share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. I will be dropping every Monday and Friday.